Your RV may be equipped with the electric drop-down bed over the front seats. It's operated by a switch. There's a key there that's meant for safety with an on and off position so nobody hits it by accident. There's an up and down mode. Just push it down, your bed will come down. Make sure your curtains are free and clear on each side as it comes down, and it'll come down till it stops. On some models, you may have to adjust the seat because it might hit the top of the driver's seat and passenger seats. So just make sure that you have that clearance there. Once it comes down, it'll stop. There's a convenience net around here just to prevent things from falling down along the sides and the front of your bed, so you can put the net up all the way across. It'll be equipped with a ladder for easy access up and down, and it's going to be equipped with an air mattress that has a built-in pump for you. And when you're ready to stow your bed during the day, or if you're going to be taking off, make sure you release your net, lay your net back in place, remove your ladder and your air mattress, deflate your air mattress, and stow that away. Then just hit the switch up and your bed will come up automatically. Again, just be sure your drape, your curtains on the side are away from the track. And you're going to take it all the way up to the top until it stops.